Hello and good morning, everyone. Just going to be a quick little video this morning. We've got something just to quickly unbox, something sold that we need to get wrapped up, and then I'm going to quickly get some of the pans cleaned up. They're ready for photos. So I'll hook you up on chest mount and get going. So we got these blue signature saucepans. Get these cleaned up. Empty solution out. There, that's the insides. That cleans the insides up. So the 3 saucepans, all real nice condition now they've been cleaned up. So let's quickly put these back on, and then I'll do pictures after because I've got my camera for filming. So we've got 2018, 16. I think this is the azure blue, maybe. It's like a matte. It's not glossy like the usual Le Creuset, but the silver knobs, hence the signature. So that, just real nice looking things. Get these posted up in a minute. This is the easy way to stack them as well. Just do that, leave them to the side. Right, we'll get the backdrop out of the way, which is just a roller blind. It's about the simplest way of making a backdrop rather than worrying about propping vinyl or carpet up or whatever. Oops. There, having a blind. Loads of it, and then you got your workstation as well. So I'll unbox this. This turned up yesterday. This is a vintage buy that doesn't give it away already. So let's see what we've got condition wise. So the teal colour, second generation, so this is a generation before the signature. Nothing wrong with that. Had it itself. Oh. that in here, which is bits of plastic, which is that bit there, where the handles bust. I have replacement handles, so that's not too much of a problem. But inside, dirty, but it still shines. So this will come up like new. Swap the handle over. It's not worth getting into a discussion with Vinted to try and get your money back for that. Worst platform ever for customer service. But that will clean up easy enough. Move this out. Okay. Actually, we can do it now, can't we? So we'll get a screwdriver, place it in here. Then, because it's still fairly newish, it comes off easy enough. And then this will show you now where it's broke. So get that off from there, look. Smash clean off. That's the downside to these plastic ones. I'd say the wooden ones are better than when they went through this plastic era. And that's a thread, that's fine. All kind of thread are perfectly okay. So we'll keep them together. Nothing wrong with those. Then here's the bit that's snapped off with plastic inside. So that's dud. Get rid of that. Take the knob off. This will all go in separate cleaning. So this goes in a certain solution. And then these two will go in their own. So take these down here. Go in there. This will go in here. And the lid can go down there. Leave them in for a day. Brand new. Right, and we have a frying pan. Let's just get all this. So this is the frying pan that went out 2 weeks ago, maybe. So nice condition on the inside. Outside, just a few little usual marks from its age and its use. But it's a deep one, or mid, I'd say. The Cousins brand 28, so the 28 centimeters. Nice wooden handle. No char marks, little bit, tiny bit of wear there, look, but nothing. So hopefully then this customer ends up keeping it. The other lady returned it, just she wasn't not what she was after, which is fair enough. It all came back in one piece. Business card with a little QR code on. Just takes you to YouTube, eBay, Facebook and Instagram. So that can go in. And we'll wrap this up the same way again. We'll go both ways actually, but it's a bit longer. We'll do this as well. Just a little bit more protection. Right, that's fine. Shift this. Drop the sides over a little bit. And we'll use the same box as we did first time round. So I may have to get some fresh wrap for this. Put that back in. Lay this in here. And we'll get some polystyrene, I think. We'll do that to protect the ends. So squeeze the box in. We don't have to worry about that end breaking, and then we'll do a bit on each side. One of them, two of them. Feel where the side of the pan is. Same down there. That way from the side, nothing will bust it. On top, we could use this really. But when gets rid of it. Do that. Oh, keep that on. Put my label over the top. Oh, tape's gone. There we are. And that's it. That's that boxed up and done. They're cleaned up, ready for pictures. And then, obviously that was unboxed, ready for cleaning. So there we go. That's a few little jobs done for this morning. Please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Pop any ideas for new content, videos, etc. in the comments, and I'll see if I can get those sort of things filmed. And like I've mentioned in a few of the other videos, there'll be some changes coming soon. Hopefully a new business thing will start in 6 months to a year's time. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.